Plant biology is a study of plants, so it encompasses all areas of plant science, from ecology and the study of plants, how plants interact with the environment, to molecular genetics, to study how DNA and proteins interact in a plant cell. At UCD, in our plant research program, we cover the entire breadth of plant science. We have people working on plant ecology, coastal wetlands, with people working on crops, trying to improve crop yields, working on crop pathogens, but we also work on molecular genetics, people studying the genetics of flower development, for example. So we cover the entire area of plant science in UCD.
So in school, I was really interested in, I did art going all the way through, so really interested in art, kind of had a creative side. I like tech graphics, in DCG, but I also really enjoyed plant biology, for sure. It was one of the ones I found easy to work on. And when I decided, at home I also like David Attenborough. I grew up reading National Geographics. I've been subscribed to them since I was 12, so I have hundreds of them and I always read them, still do today. So I decided then to move into science. It seemed like a course that was suitable to me, one that was broad enough that I could still do things afterwards, but it was one that was interesting at the time anyway, and intriguing as well, one that kind of lured me in a little bit.
The degree program in UCD is starting with a broad basis, and then over the years it specializes more and more. So in year one, students will take more general biology modules. In year two, they will take modules like Principles in Plant Biology that focus more on the area of plant biology, but they will also take modules in other subjects like genetics or cell biology. And in year 3 and 4, the specialization increases further. So we have then modules on plant development, for example, or on peatlands. So a subject that might be covered for 10 minutes in year 1 to just give a feeling for that subject will be covered for 20 hours in year 4 to provide the students with a really in-depth knowledge of that subject.
It's unbelievably broad. Like plant biology, people kind of straight away, especially this is the message to get across the second year, we're not studying plants. I did one module where I'd study flowers. The rest of the stuff is plant biotech, it's using like plant cells to do things for you, and how we can also increase crop yields, how we're going to solve the problems in the future with plants.
Our courses are delivered by a mixture of traditional lectures, tutorials, practical courses, and fieldwork. So students are exposed to all those different methods of teaching. Our students can avail of Erasmus programs, for example, and can study in universities abroad in Canada or in other European countries. Our graduates can of course work in areas of plant biology. That can be environmental consultants, they can work for breeding companies, the Department of Agriculture, for example. We provide also knowledge in molecular biology, and our graduates can work in pharmacology or in diagnostics because they will have this molecular background through their studies.
So if you're thinking about doing science and you have a creative mind, but you're also kind of logical, you kind of like the idea of solving problems, then this is a good course for you, definitely.